In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP ENVY Ispire 7224E printer. First we will open the front door, lift this section up. Ink chamber is here on the right hand side. It's very easy to replace or install the ink cartridges. Press the ink cartridge down and simply take it out. Now take your new ink cartridge and place it here and slide it in. You hear a little lock sound. Same with the coloring cartridge. Once you are done, simply press the door down and it will close itself. Also close the front door and wait on the printer screen for the confirmation. And once we are ready, you can start using the printer. Thanks for watching.